What is up, guys? Just getting ready to head out. Had to stop at Casey's. Breakfast pizza. It's the essentials. If you've never had Casey's breakfast pizza, strongly recommend it. A little grease in your stomach's good. But just getting ready to head out to the lake. Just a little lake here right outside Lincoln. Hopefully we get into them big bluegills. I did last night, but it was too windy to film, so I didn't film at all. But it's nice and calm this morning. Hopefully the bluegills haven't moved because there were some real nice ones. So stay tuned. Thanks. There's just a ton of fish down there. I just caught one. I wasn't quite filming. I still don't have all my cameras set up yet, but just caught one. Look at all those fish down there. That big, oh, there's 3 of them down there right now. So, oh man, this is fun. I think we're really gonna catch them today. This is a big bluegill lake. There's crappies and walleyes in here too, but the bluegill are kind of what this lake is most known for. But looks like those fish just left, but I bet as soon as we get our lure down there, they'll come right back. So, see my jig falling down there on the right hand side? Watch down by that red bottom. Okay, just finally got down to him, and there's one flickering down there. Oh, there he is. Let's get up above him. He's chasing me. Oh, missed him. Drop back down to him. I don't even have to drop back down to him. They're very, very, very active right now. There he comes. Oh, missed him. Got him. I think that's a real nice bluegill, I bet you. Oh, crappie. All sorts of wrapped up in my transducer. But that is a nice, solid crappie. That's a 9-inch screen, so that's probably a 10.5-inch fish. But that's what we came out here for. Actually, we came out here for the bluegills, but those crappies are never a disappointment. But we're gonna catch some fish today. Get ready. There he is. Got him that time. There's still another one down there. Finally. Not a bad sized gill. He's a little on the small side. There's a lot bigger in here. Sweet. See if we can catch his buddy. Oh, there's 2 of them down there, it looks like. There's my jig falling down to him right there. Get right above him. Jig it a couple times. Oh, he's shooting up off the bottom. Look at that. Got him. Isn't that crazy? Wow. I think this is a smaller one. I can't tell for sure. Oh, no, he's fighting a little bit. Yeah. That's a real nice bluegill right there. Check him out. Real nice bluegill. There's more down there. Gotta get back down there to them. Jeez, there's a whole school of them. This is just nuts. Absolutely crazy. There he is, right at 7 foot. There's a couple of them down there. There he comes up to it. Oh, missed him. Alright, get back down to him. A whole bunch of them down there. Oh, there he comes. He's chasing hard. All the way up to 7 foot. Huh. Never got that one to hit. There's two or three more down near the bottom. We'll go down to them. There's that one right there at 10.5 foot coming up to check me out. There he comes, and he's got it. Got him. That feels like a better one. But just an absolutely beautiful bluegill. Yeah. I just love this lake. Beautiful bluegill. Letting them all go today. I kept a few last night for supper. I don't need any more here. But I'm on the right spot. I'm right on the shallow shelf to before it drops off into deeper water. And like 12 foot here, about 15 feet in front of me, it drops down to 25. No brush pile real close. There is some out here on this flat, but seems like they haven't really been in the brush piles this year. But man, I found a pretty good little ledge here. Wow. Jig him up. There he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Got it. Oh, lost him. Amateur moment. They're still down there though. Looks like there's 2 or 3 of them down there. Almost to them. And he's coming up to it already. There he comes. Got him. Just a little guy. Just a little bluegillian. Nothing special there. But there's a lot bigger ones. So let's try and get back down there and get after them. Oh, here comes one off the bottom. He's gonna eat. Got him. That's a little bit better one, I think. Nope, just another little one. Lost him right at the hole. See if we can catch another one. This is just absolutely insane how many fish are in this area. Absolutely crazy. Got it. This is just crazy. Ooh, he's a fighter. Yeah, there's a nice gill. Just a toad. Wide shoulders. Oh, that's a really nice bluegill. Oh, I was gonna show you guys, but I dropped him down the camera, or dropped him down the hole. Wow. Just full of rookie mistakes today. Oh well, we'll catch another one. There he comes. Got him. I think this is a little one. Yep, just a little one. There's big ones down there, I swear, but he's not horrible. He's not a monster. God, these fish are fun. Oh, missed him. Drop back down to him, see if we can give him a bite again. There he comes. Got him. That's a better one, I think. Oh, lost him at the hole. Amateur hour here. I think that'd be a good video title, is Amateur Hour. Got him. That's a big Blue Gill. Those are what we're looking for. Those are what we are looking for. That's nice. 8, 9-inch Blue Gill probably. Wow, that's a beautiful fish. Let him go, let him grow. Man, that was sweet, wasn't it? Watching those big girls like that, letting those big girls like that go. Man, that's sweet. Those are what we're here for. Crappies are a bonus, and it's fun catching the little ones, but I really like catching them great big blues. I already got a couple more fish on the screen, flying up off the bottom. Got him. It's a good one. Real nice fish. Whole school will be coming through now. But there's another 8, probably 8-inch Blue Gill. And there's the release. Thanks, buddy. Hopefully we can get one of these to bite. There he comes. Got him. Crappie. Little crappie. That's okay. Nice little crappie. Oh man. Got him that time. It's nice size gill. Not a monster, but a good one. This is about the perfect size to eat, but like I said, I don't want to eat anymore. Had fish last night, so. Thanks, buddy. Marking a couple up high. Looks like he's coming in. I think this one will hit. Yep, got him. Fighter. No, not a monster. Just a little one. Still fun. Got him. That feels like a pretty good one. Bass. I'm gonna say that felt like kind of a good fish. It's not a huge one. Definitely not a huge one, but that was still pretty cool. Get a quick little release here. Oh, that's a good one. Got him. Kind of ran into a lull there for a little while, but when you can lip them like that, I mean, that's a nice gill right there. God, I love these fish. But I love to let them go too. Went and tried to do a little bit of moving around. Wasn't very successful. Tried to find some new spots. Never caught more than like 2. As soon as I come back here, caught that one. Camera wasn't on, just a little one, but just proves that if you're in the right spot, even on a crappy day of fishing, you can still be on the fish. So I'm gonna let him go. Probably don't have a whole lot more time left out here, maybe another half hour or so. My helix is yelling at me low voltage, so we'll see. But it's been a pretty productive day. Caught a bunch of fish on and off camera, so hopefully you guys are enjoying the content. Got him. Got him. Oh, that's a pretty good one. Not the monsters, but that's still pretty good bluegill. That's still a 8-inch bluegill or so. Whoa, juggling. But yeah, as I was saying before he decided to be a jackass, nice 8-inch bluegill or so. Probably catch 1 or 2 more and then head out. But thanks, bud. Here he comes. Oh, missed him. See if we can get back down to him, see if he'll hit it again. Oh, I bet he does. Yep, he's coming in real active. Got him that time. Don't feel very big. Done 6 circles around my transducer. It's not a bad one. Not a monster, but a decent one. God, I've caught a lot of fish today. There's a bunch of fish down on the screen right now. I'm gonna get back down to them. Oh boy, let's see if I can get down to them in time. I think they're gone. Still cool. Pretty nice crappie. Fish finder just died. I think that I'm gonna call it a day, but it was a good crappie to end it on. Got a bunch of fish, had a lot of fun, so we'll catch you at the ramp. Thanks, buddy.